2021 Ford Mustang GT50, nice and white. Can you guys see what we're putting on it? Corsa system, double H pipe Corsa system. There it is.
Right there. Really nice. So it usually comes with a double X. He bought the double H and he wants a double H on it instead of a double X.
But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like before and sounds like before. So it's got the factory converter there and there, factory resonator there, factory piping, and factory mufflers there and there. And as you guys can see, the X pipe is usually inside this resonator. So we're going to take it off from right here. That's how you have to do it. For this kit, it comes with adapters right there. So we take it off, unclamp it there and there. Disassemble the whole thing all the way through, take it off, and then assemble this all the way through. It's in different pieces and it fits up. It should line right up. Corsa's really good about their parts lining up. We end it all with these beautiful tips by Corsa. You guys can see, and it's all clamped on and all that. Here's the part number on the double H pipe right there. And we'll get you guys the part numbers on everything else in the description, okay? I'm gonna let you guys hear it before we do anything, so stay tuned. So this is before Ford Mustang 50. This is before we install this Corsa system on it. Give it gas. Again. So it's not bad. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 102, 103. One more. All right, stay tuned. We're going to install this beautiful Corsa system coming up, Corsa Xtreme. All right, guys, so we let you hear it. We showed you what it looked like before. 21 Mustang GT50. Let me let you see what we've done. It's done now. So still got the factory converters there and there. Then we took it off from the factory bands right there and started the Corsa Xtreme. But this one is special because it has the double H pipe instead of the double X pipe. But there's the double H pipe right there. And then 3-inch continues out the back. There's the Corsa Xtreme mufflers right there and right there. And then we finished it off nicely with beautiful tips by Corsa right there. It's a whole kit. So there it is. And there's the old system that was on it that we took off. Nasty old stuff. I don't know why they put it. It's too loud, too quiet on it. This is going to sound a lot better and look a lot better. Don't you agree, man? Yeah, he's ready to hear it. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys hit that subscribe and like and comment and share and all that good stuff. It already sounds better. 119. Look at that smile. When it makes them happy, it makes me happy, guys. That's what we always try to go for. Wow. Here's sound decibels again. 122. It hit 123 earlier. Such a distinctive sound, man. Corsa, it's amazing. Corsa and Borla like up there, you know? Yeah. Louder than the H. I think it's louder than the X, I mean. Wow. That sounds phenomenal. Let it idle. Here's idle, guys. Rev it. Oh, yeah. Got any tune or anything done to it? Not yet. So you knew I was going to do a video. That's why you fixed it all up before you brought it. My guy. Wow, that is sick. That is sick. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Here's our number. Give us a call if you have any questions. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's a nice addition, that JT 500 wing. Look at that spoiler. It's clean. It just gives it a nice look. I like it. It's ready for the road. Nice subtle touches, nothing crazy, just clean. He just got it all tinted too, so it's perfect. Corsa Xtreme with double H5. Oh, that sounds so good. Beast mode. Enjoy. You can still hear it. Wow. Still here. Wow, that's awesome.